Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily live market automatically you will receive call. Today buy call generated. Today weekly option expiry day. Buy at 3963. That is our entry point line 39,063. First target has been breakout within 20 seconds of the buy call generated. 100 point movement given. Next 15 minutes market traded between the first target to entry point. After 15 minutes, market started to move in bullish momentum and break out the second target. 200 point movement has been given in 16 minutes of sell call generated. Like this today, this buy call has been performed, but every day we will not get a 20-second performance of first target. Let's see the previous day call also, so you will have the idea about it. This is today opening momentum 9:15. Previous day sell call 39,470, the entry point range, that straight white color line. Market traded above the entry point line for more than 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of the sell call generated only, market started to move in downside momentum. Then it break out the first target and market was very bearish momentum, so easily break out the second target also. Today also bearish momentum followed and traded below the 39,000 range. But after 39,000 breakout, market started to move in bullish momentum. That momentum has been captured by our chart. Every day in live market, you will receive signal calls like this in our chart. For chart subscription, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. This is a weekly option expiry chart, 38,500 call option, in the money option chart. Like this, directly you can watch option chart also. At 423 range, the buy call generated. The first candle moved and breakout 500, and meanwhile during the time of second target, market move all the way up to the 600 range also. So like this you can directly watch the option chart and place your order also. For chart subscription, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. Thank you.